When most people think about truck drivers, they picture long roads, long hours, and average pay. But that's not the whole story. Some truck drivers in America quietly earn more than $120,000 a year. So what's their secret? It's not luck, and it's not just driving more. It's knowing where to drive, what to haul, and how to turn trucking into a six-figure career. Same job, very different pay. Why does one truck driver earn $50,000 a year, while another earns more than $120,000, doing what looks like the same job? Here's the simple answer. They are not really doing the same job at all. Most drivers earn an average paycheck, and that's fine. But the highest earners play the game differently. They choose better companies, learn specialized skills, and go after jobs most people are unwilling or unqualified to do. That's why trucking has one of the biggest pay gaps of any blue-collar job in America. The top drivers don't just work harder, they make smarter choices. And one of the best paying opportunities comes from a company you probably shop at every week. Walmart, the Walmart opportunity. You might not expect a six-figure trucking job to come from a store you visit for groceries, but it does. Back in 2022, Walmart shocked the trucking industry by significantly raising driver pay. Today, many experienced Walmart drivers earn more than $120,000 a year. Here's the surprising part. These drivers don't own a truck. They don't pay for fuel, repairs, or insurance. They simply drive while Walmart handles the business side. On top of that, they get health benefits, retirement plans, and regular time at home, something many long-haul truckers only dream about. But these jobs are not easy to land. Walmart looks for experienced drivers with a clean record and a strong safety history. That high paycheck is something drivers have to earn first. Still, Walmart is not the highest-paying company on this list. Another company, dressed in brown trucks, raised the bar even higher. UPS raises the bar, UPS raise things even further. After tough contract talks in 2023, UPS drivers landed one of the best blue-collar pay deals in the country. By the end of that deal, a full-time UPS driver can earn about $49 an hour. Add in health insurance, retirement benefits, and paid time off, and the total package reaches around $170,000 a year. Here's what surprises people most. These drivers are not business owners. They don't buy trucks or worry about fuel prices. They are employees, backed by a strong union, with pay that rivals many office jobs. But even UPS is not the highest ceiling in trucking. The biggest paychecks often go to drivers hauling freight that most people are too afraid or too unqualified to move. The riskier, higher-paying freight, not every driver hauls the same kind of freight. Some transport fuel, others move dangerous chemicals. A few haul loads so massive they need a police escort just to travel down the road. Those jobs pay more for one reason. They are harder and riskier. A single mistake can turn into a serious problem, so companies pay more for drivers they can fully trust. Many hazmat, tanker, and heavy haul drivers earn between $75 and $120,000 a year, sometimes more. The work requires additional training, specialized licenses, and a clean safety record. And for some drivers, there's an even bigger opportunity. Instead of driving for someone else's company, they build their own, becoming your own boss for some drivers. The biggest paycheck comes from becoming the company itself. These drivers are called owner-operators. They own or lease their trucks, find their own loads, and run trucking like a business. In 2026, the average owner-operator earns around $228,000 per year. After fuel, insurance, repairs, and other costs, many keep about $87,000 of the remaining amount. The best operators do better. By hauling higher-paying freight and controlling costs, some take home well over $120,000 a year. Of course, there's a trade-off. Every repair bill and slow week comes out of their own pocket. The reward can be huge, but so is the responsibility. What six-figure trucking really looks like? So what does a $120,000 trucking career actually look like? For many drivers, it simply means peace of mind. Instead of stressing about the next paycheck, they're buying homes, building savings, and planning for retirement. A Walmart driver can enjoy a stable life with great benefits. A long-time ups driver can retire with a real pension. A successful owner-operator can reinvest in the business while growing personal wealth. Here's the biggest surprise. Many of these drivers live just as comfortably as people in high-paying office jobs, without years of college debt. But not every driver reaches this level. So what separates the ones who do? How drivers actually get there? Almost no one starts their trucking career making $120,000 a year. The highest paid drivers earn it slowly. They start with a company job, build real experience, and protect one thing above all else: a clean driving record. Then they add valuable extras like hazmat and tanker endorsements, which open the door to better paying freight. After a few years, many qualify for top fleets like Walmart or move into specialized work. Others become owner-operators once they understand the business. The biggest mistake new drivers make is expecting six figures too soon. The smartest ones treat those early years as an investment. Skill versus mindset. Here's the real difference between an average driver and a six-figure driver. It isn't really about skill. It's about mindset. The highest earners never treat trucking like just another job. They treat their license like a valuable asset. They keep improving, keep watching for better opportunities, and know exactly what they're worth. Many started in $50,000 jobs, but never planned to stay there. Every move was a step towards something bigger. Will robots take these jobs? Will automation eventually replace truck drivers? Not the highest paid ones, at least not anytime soon. Jobs like hazmat hauling and heavy haul transport still require real human skill and judgment. And with America facing a shortage of qualified drivers, experienced professionals are in high demand. The future may change things. But valuable skills will always command valuable pay. The real secret: here's the truth. Most truck drivers never reach $120,000 a year, simply because they give up too soon. The highest earners didn't avoid the hard years. They used them to gain experience, protect their driving record, and earn better opportunities. They didn't get lucky. They stuck around long enough to become valuable. The real secret was never about the truck itself. It was always about the choices made behind the wheel. The highest paid drivers never settled for average. They built valuable skills, chose better opportunities, and made themselves hard to replace. In any career, that is exactly what creates real, lasting wealth. So here's the real question. Are you driving toward a bigger opportunity or staying stuck in the same lane? If this changed how you see trucking, subscribe for more deep dives into high-income careers. Which path surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time on TLL.